Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing rava and the tempering because texture depends on it. Roast 1 cup rava briefly. This removes raw taste and prevents clumping. Set aside. Heat 2 tablespoon oil, add 1 tsp mustard, 1/2 tsp cumin and pulses. Fry until they pop to build aroma. Once those crackle, add a chopped onion, 1 green chili and curry leaves. Sauté until the onion is soft. This creates the flavorful base that carries the upma. With the base ready, add chopped vegetables so they cook into the dish. Carrot, peas, and beans need 2-3 minutes to soften. Pour 2 cups hot water for 1 cup rava and bring it to a rolling boil. This temperature prevents lumps when you add semolina. Gradually sprinkle the roasted rava while stirring continuously with a wooden spoon. This step is crucial. Stirring integrates the grains and controls thickness. Once all rava is incorporated, reduce heat to low and cover for 3 to 5 minutes. Finish by turning off the heat and letting the upma rest for 2 minutes. This sets the grains. Stir in 1 tablespoon ghee for richness and a squeeze of lemon for brightness, then fluff gently with a fork so grains separate. Garnish with cilantro, roasted peanuts, or fresh coconut for texture. If things go wrong, here's the key fix. If it's too wet, cook uncovered on low while stirring to evaporate water. If lumpy, add a little hot water and break lumps by stirring briskly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.